How to enable instant deposit on Robinhood. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable instant deposit on Robinhood. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, tap the person icon on the bottom right corner. Then click on this three line on the top left corner and click on settings. Then tap on transfers. This is where you manage your bank links and deposits. Make sure you have bank account linked to Robinhood. Instant deposit won't work without linking your bank. Now initiate a deposit. Robinhood will instantly credit a portion of your deposit even before the bank transfers fully clears. If you want higher instant deposit limits, consider upgrading to Robinhood Gold. It gives you access to even larger instant deposit amounts. And this is how you can enable instant deposit on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.